Hello, for you 4 people that are watching this recovery process. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back. Day 8 recovery. Surgery was a week ago yesterday. Everything's going well. Pain level right now 0. When I do my exercises, the same thing. It's not as extreme. I'll say it gets up to a 5 at times. I did find last night, starting sometime yesterday evening into last night, doing my laps with my little walker when I'm turning right, because obviously we don't live in a mansion. So I have to make turns. When I turn left, I'm fine. When I turn right, taking this little walker, I'm finding that when I go right, I'm grabbing this walker, moving it a little bit, and turning my body with my feet still on the ground, which turns it left. Going left makes your hip go out, which is dislocation movement, which you don't want to do. You're not supposed to. That's why I sleep with that wedge. If you see one of the videos I showed that wedge. I think I did. That keeps your legs separated so your foot can't go in. You can go out with it, which is fine, but going in, not good. But it's like deep down in the groin area, basically almost feels like it would be right down where my spine is. So I shouldn't worry, because in the x-rays, it looks where the cup is. But come to think of it, when I had my left hip replaced, that's where all that pain was deep down in the groin, all the way up. It was sharp pain, and that's how this was, almost like something being poked, stabbed. Don't know what it is. And comparing the pain area with the x-rays I have of my waist with the hip bones, doesn't seem like it should be something to worry about. But anytime you have to worry about dislocation, it hurts, or you have to be worried about it. And anytime something hurts, it hurts. You can't just pop a bunch of pain pills, especially when you're limited to what you have. So exercising, I do everything fine. Do my breathing on the whatever that app or thingamajig is, breathalyzer thing. These might be familiar. Oh, geez, now it's a party. But anywho, there's 2 exercises when I have to bring my knee up, so my foot back to me, and that hurts like high heck. And I think that's the only one. Everything else is fine. Pointing my toes out, because I got like 6 or 8 of them. I have stretching my hamstrings, quads out. When I'm walking on with the walker, I'll hold on to make sure I'm stable, and I'll lift my feet up behind me one at a time, of course. Can't do it both, right? I'm not that strong. Hold my fat ass up. So far, so good. Everything's going well. I feel we go to the doctor on the 9th to find out he'll just say, hey, what's your pain, blah, 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 and do an x-ray for $800, and then we'll find out what's going on there, if everything looks good. Hopefully it is. So far, no infection. The bandage is off. Or not off. I cut that little vacuum pump off for the bandage, because that battery was dead. So that is removed. I don't have that dangling around, hanging out of my shorts. But the bandage itself, no seepage, no blood coming out, or pus or ooze or nothing like that. So far, so good on that. I'll check in another day. Thanks for coming in. Hey, leave a comment. Tell me where you're watching from.